Hey there, welcome. If you're tired of wasting precious hours trying to build your own website from scratch or spending hundreds of dollars on service bundles that overpromise and underdeliver, you're exactly where you need to be right now. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a game-changing tool, Clonezy AI. I'll show you everything this platform offers, the good, the bad, and even the unexpected parts that most reviews tend to skip over. We'll explore who it's best suited for, where it struggles, and then I'll reveal 5 powerful bonuses you'll get for free if you decide to grab it using my link. So make sure you stick around till the very end because those bonuses are extremely valuable and they're available for a limited time only. Now let's kick things off with a quick overview of what Clonezy AI actually is and why it's making waves in the online space. So what is Clonezy AI? Clonezy AI is a revolutionary cloud-based app that uses artificial intelligence to instantly clone, host, and publish any website available on the internet, complete with all its digital assets. That includes images, layouts, styling, and even embedded functionalities. You can replicate a fully functioning site in just a few clicks. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make Clonezy AI such a unique and valuable. Free commercial license, use it for client projects and start earning instantly. Lightning-fast load speeds with built-in image optimization. SEO and analytics features to help track your site's performance. 24/7 premium support, fast responses when you hit a snag. So that's a quick overview. Let's now move into the pros and cons of using this tool. Let's begin with the pros. Pro number 1, Clonezy AI includes a free commercial license. This is huge. You can clone sites and offer them as a service to clients, making this a ready-to-go freelancing or agency business opportunity. Pro number 2, it dramatically boosts website loading times with its built-in image optimization. That means better performance, higher engagement, and improved SEO rankings. Pro number 3, it offers detailed analytics tools so you can effortlessly track your website's performance, visitors, bounce rates, and more. You'll always know how your site is doing and where to improve. Pro number 4, it comes with 24/7 premium support. That's crucial for beginners and even pros because when something goes wrong, having fast, reliable support can be the difference between a quick fix and a week of frustration. Now, what about the cons? To be honest, Clonezy AI is solid, but there are 2 small drawbacks you should know about. First, the user interface could use a bit more polish. While the functionality is all there, new users might need a few minutes to get the hang of it. There's a small learning curve, especially for beginners. Second, it currently doesn't have a mobile app. Everything is managed through a desktop browser. So if you're hoping to run this on your phone or tablet while on the go, that might be a limitation. That said, neither of these is a deal breaker. The platform works incredibly well and delivers on its promises. And once you're inside the dashboard, things become more intuitive quickly. Now that we've covered the pros and cons, let's take a closer look at how the platform actually works. Here's what happens when you use Clonezy AI.
You create your very own top quality website, but didn't know where to start, where to find developers, where to do all of that. What if I told you that you could find a big template such as this one for the Financial Times and then edit it for yourself? With Clonezy, this is now possible. It's as easy as going to the dashboard, creating your very own template, letting Clonezy create the template, downloading, and get sent straight to our editor in Clonezy, where it's all drag and drops, where you can go and edit, for example, this headline here, welcome to Clonezy. You can go and you can do anything you want with any sort of template. And with integrated AI that will help you write your text, as well as integrated AI image generator, with ChatGPT o3 that can create perfect text for you. This is your very own URL, or you can export it to your welcome to Clonezy. I can change.
Alright, after testing this product extensively, here's my honest rating and final verdict. For the bundle of features, I give Clonezy AI a strong 4.5 out of 5. For pricing, a solid 4 out of 5 because at just $16, this tool is seriously affordable. For value for money, also 4 out of 5. You're getting a full tech stack for a one-time payment. And for overall content quality, again, 4 out of 5. The dashboard, tools, and add-ons are well built and deliver real functionality. And here's the best part, as I mentioned earlier, Clonezy AI costs just $16. But if you use the coupon I've added in the description, you can get it at an even lower price. Now, for those of you still with me, it's time to reveal the 5 exclusive bonuses you'll get absolutely free if you buy Clonezy AI through my link. Bonus number 1, 100 plus free templates for video editing. Whether you make YouTube videos, ads, or content for clients, these templates will make your editing faster and more professional. Bonus number 2, a collection of viral video scripts. These are perfect for generating traffic, engagement, and sales in any niche. Bonus number 3, an AI-powered video creation script. A complete AI automation ebook. Bonus number 5, an AI cartoon and animation video bundle. All of this is yours for free just for picking up Clonezy AI through my special link. That wraps up this review. If you found this useful, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm always sharing tips, tools, and time-saving tricks, including exclusive bonuses that... Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.